Does cracking your knuckles lead to arthritis? This common belief has been echoed for decades, making many wary of the habitual pop. The myth originated from a study in the 1940s that linked joint cracking to arthritis, but was it accurate? In reality, the sound is simply gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid of the joint. Recent research, including a famous study where a doctor cracked the knuckles on one hand for 60 years, shows no increased risk of arthritis. So feel free to pop away, it's just a myth. Subscribe to Myth Mash for more truth-busting revelations.